Well, go on, people. On this 2022 Kia Carnival, I'm going to show you guys how to take off that spoiler and this light right here. This long range light. I'm going to show you how to take off that. Also, y'all see that button right there? That's the button that open the gates up. Okay. As you can see, this gate has been hit, so I had to cut this piece open in order to get the gate open. Anyways, to get this piece out, once you take off the trim panel, you guys will see two screws that looks, actually it's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. That, look at those. Just go ahead and take out those four screws, and this whole piece right here, this whole piece, which is this plastic piece right here, which is this plastic piece right here, it comes right off. Okay, once you move those 4 screws. In order to get to those 4 screws, you gotta take off this trim panel right here. This trim panel. I will show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this spoiler, and this light. Okay, so stay tuned. You guys see this piece right here? Use the flathead screwdriver and put it in the crease of it and pry it open. It comes out. There's 2 Phillips that's on the inside. It's a Phillip head. Next thing we're gonna go, pull that piece off. Pull this piece off as well. But before you take this piece off, there's a Phillips screw there. It's Phillip. There's one on each side. Take those 2 screws out, and then you pull this piece out. Pull that piece out, and there's 2 more screws there, Phillip as well. Take those out. You're going to take this piece out first. Take that piece out. Just put your flathead at the crease and pry it out of there. Now you go ahead and pull it off. See? It comes right off, people. Now, let's get this long light off. First thing we do, unplug each side. Now, y'all see those 10s? 1, 2, take all them 10s out, all of them. You guys see those 10s? Take them 10s out of there. See, is it the next one right there? Take them 10s out of there. This is what I was showing you, you guys. Now the trim panel is off. There's access to the screws to get that plastic piece off of there. And in order to get the spoiler off, take this rubber out. Don't move that 10 from there. That one right there, move that one from right there. Another one right there. Also, there's another one there. I think there's one inside there as well. Let me check. Now, so move that from there. You're gonna take this piece out, take that piece from there, and the spoiler should come off. unplug that wire right there. Push it out. And then go ahead and you just hit it. You know it? See that? Put the gate down. Once you take all the screws out of there, let's go ahead and pull it out. See? That's how you do that. It comes right out. Now let's take the spoiler from out of there. Guys, if you're not experienced, get yourself a magnet so the screw won't fall down inside the gate. Or you can put a piece of tape at the edge of your tool, on your tool socket, and put it on here, and then you take it out. See, look. Put the tape on the edge of it. You take it out. Then you're going to unplug it from here. Unplug it. Take that plug out. You're going to take this piece off. That is the antenna. Whenever you guys take this antenna, use the big one, the long big clip hooker, because I believe these antennas, they are one-time use. They are one-time use because they do break. But you might get lucky though. You might get lucky. You see, it's a one-time use. These antennas are one-time use. Y'all see these tabs? These tabs is meant to break. They are one-time use. Or if you don't want to buy it back, just put it in there and put double-side tape and tape it on there. That will work fine as well. Double-side tape. Now let's get the spoil from off of it. Let's drop this bad boy. See what I'm on. Yeah, just get it up. See that? Comes right out. All right? Guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Working Wayne checking out.